Right, that was the spike we're looking for. A long spike. A couple of bucks to be made right now. Okay, so you guys know I preach a lot about price action, and that is because I know the price action is very important. It's very important. You can see on my charts, you can see my horizontal line. I'm going to switch to the 4 hours time frame or the higher time frame to show you what I'm talking about. Right, you can see that we here are on profitable trade right now. This is where we sold from. All right, and we just got this long spike. We're hoping to catch more before we leave the market. We're hoping to catch more spikes before we leave the market. All right, so I'll quickly show you guys how this is done. Sorry about the door. I just have to go to a more comfortable place to make this video. I want you guys to hear me clearly. So I'll quickly show you guys how this is done. I'll show you the strategy we use. I'll show you the indicators we use. But first, I urge you guys to learn price action. It's very important. Get a mentor, get somebody to teach you how to trade the forex market. And price action will help you approach any financial market at all, be it stocks, be it crypto, be it currencies, be it indices. All right, so if you know price action, you are good. That was another long spike. That was another long spike. That was another long spike. More to come. You're going to catch more spikes, of course. Price action already told us that this is going to happen. All right, so how do we approach the market? How do we catch these beautiful spikes? How do we, you can see how beautiful this is right now. All right, how do we do this? You want to first of all see the direction of the market. Okay, as you can see on my charts, you have seen my trend line. You have seen that I've been able to tell that the market is printing lower lows. All right, you can see there's a high here, there's a low, is a lower low, is a lower low here. All right, you can see the market is printing lower lows and lower highs. That tells you the direction of the market. And if you know the direction of the market, trust me, you are good. All right, so the market is printing series of lower highs and lower lows. All right, so this is we knowing that the market is in a downtrend, and you know well that you have to be following the trend. Of course, for newbies who don't know that, you should always know that if the market is in a downtrend, you are looking for selling opportunities. If the market is in an uptrend, you are looking for buying opportunities. And now for you to catch spikes, you want to be selling crash to catch spikes, right? So you want to sell when the market is in a downtrend. You don't want to buy when the market is in a downtrend. You want to be selling, right? So this is what we're doing right now. On the overall trend, we are on the weekly time frame. We notice a lot of lows and highs, and lower lows and lower highs and all of that on a weekly time frame. I just shifted my horizontal line. That was my bad. I'm going to fix that up again. So switching to the weekly time frame, I've seen that the overall trend is downwards, right? The market is moving in a downtrend. All right, now we've gone back to daily time frame to see that the market was still printing series of lower lows and lower highs, right? So on the 4 hours time frame, it printed same, and the candlestick here printed this very bearish candle. This was around our resistance area. You can see our trend line here, our horizontal line here. Price was just around the resistance area where it's going to reverse from. Now resistance pushes price downwards, it reverses price downwards, while support reverses price upwards, right? And you are only to take your trade on your resistance area. This is for crash though. You want to be selling crash, you want to take your trade only from your resistance area. That's why we took this trade. Of course, that's not enough reason why we took it. You can see at this point, price was already at our resistance before we took this trade. It was around here, this candle with this bearish, with this very long rejection here. All right, price was just there when we took the trade. Okay, so on the 15 minutes time frame, you can also notice this very powerful, whoa, that spike was massive, guys. So this is price action. This is very important for you to learn. It's very important for you to learn. Price action will show you the direction of the market, to show you market structure. It will tell you where to enter and where to exit. Okay, before I go ahead to show you guys the indicator settings that we use to further confirm this market conditions or this market direction, or what the market tells us to do, I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel. If you've not done that before, do it. It helps, it motivates me to bring more of this content your way. All right, so I'm going to also be sharing our free channel with you guys, where you can join and have free signals, guys. All right, where you can join and have free signals. You can see we are winning every day. We are making a lot of profits daily. All right, so I want you guys to join us. Okay, I want you guys to join us and be a part of what we have here. All right, so yep, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys our indicators. It's very important that you see the settings. Period 7, this is relative strength index, RSI. You add this first. Period 7, apply to close levels is 90, 10, 70 and 30. This indicators combination is very powerful, guys. So to start, I use black. All right, you can use any color of your choice though. The next one I want to be adding is your envelopes. Period 100, shift 0, deviation is 0.618. Method is simple, apply to close. All right, upper band red, lower band green. Okay, those are the areas where you want to be looking at on your indicators. If price that your red area, that's your resistance area, that's where you want to be selling from. All right, so you're done with that, you just click done, and then add the next one. Moving average period 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. All right, you don't need levels for this. You just choose any color of your choice and click done. The next one is the next moving average period 7, shift 0, method exponential again, apply to close. All right, click done when you're done with that. You don't need more settings. Then the last one is period 21, moving average. Okay, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. And levels, you don't need that. Styles, you can just choose any color of your choice. All right, and click done. When you're done with that, you want to after you've seen what the market is doing, after price action has told you what the market is doing, the next one I'll be doing is go to your indicators. Now let me tell you guys this: these indicators are very powerful. They really work most of the time. Okay, they work even without you knowing price action. They work, but I'm talking about price action because you don't want to totally depend on indicators alone. Now remember, guys, the more confirmations you have in the market, the more chances of winning. All right, the more confluence, the more chances of winning. So you don't want to just depend on indicators alone, but trust me, if you use these indicators, if you understand it perfectly, you can still make a lot of money from it. So just look at this, guys. So this is it. Whenever you see your indicators, the moving average, the blue lines here, whenever you see them converge at this level, all right, whenever you see them at this level, this is the overbought level here. All right, whenever you see them here, you want to take your trade at that level. Of course, if you have price action in your head, if you know price action, if you already set up your analysis, and you see also that price is at those areas of interest, I mean your resistance area, you want to look at the indicators and take your trade from this level. Right, whenever these indicators, the blue lines, if you're using blue though, you need to have your own colors though. Yeah, so if you chose blue for your moving average, whenever you see your moving average converge around this area, you want to place a sell. All right, you're going to make a lot of money taking sales from that area because it spikes whenever price goes to that area. Look at this. I'm going to keep back testing to show you how true this is. You can see price spikes around this area. Whenever price gets to that area, you can see it spikes. All right, it spikes. You can see this. This is another one. It keeps spiking. All right, this is it. It keeps spiking when price comes to this area. Okay, so do not be afraid to attempt this on your demo. Of course you're not going to lose money on your demo, so you want to be practicing this on your demo. Want to practice this on your demo. Look at this. All right, you want to practice it a lot on your demo, and then you want to place your sell whenever price comes to that area. Okay, now this works opposite for boom. You want to catch spikes on boom, you want to be catching spikes when your moving average converge around the green area, the oversold area here. All right, this is where you catch spikes. And you also need to understand price action, guys. Very important. So subscribe to this channel if you've not done that before. Please subscribe to this channel. Do not miss our content, guys. Do not miss our content. always make sure to give us thumbs up, encourage us, let us give you more of this content, guys. It's very important that you learn these things before you ever embark on this trading journey. You need to understand what it is, right? You cannot invest your money in something you don't understand, right? So make sure you practice and make it you should be sure of what you're doing before you apply it to your live account, guys. Take care, guys. I'll see you guys on another video.